Okay, good evening guys. So what we are doing in this video is on transformer. So this is UTMA 2014, so question 42. Use the diagram below to answer question 42. So this is the question. So they give us this diagram. They now ask us the question that the diagram above is that of dash. So A, an oil transformer, B, a step up transformer, C, a step down transformer, and D, an auto transformer. So whenever you see a transformer is characterized by this feature. For a transformer, let me draw a transformer for you. If you have a transformer, assuming this is a transformer, and the number of turn, so they normally call this left hand side, it is called the input, and this right hand side is the what? Output. So this input, it represents the primary, while this output represents the what? Secondary. So whenever we're talking about number of turns, it is the number of coil you want on the what? On the input side. When we are talking about number of turn in primary, that is ns, it is denoted by np, while number of turns in the secondary is denoted by what? Ns. I hope you understand. So when the number of turns in primary is less than that of secondary, the coil you are going to be having is what? The transformer you are going to, the type of transformer you'll be having is when the number of turns in primary coil is very low and it is less than that of the secondary coil, the type of transformer you'll be having is a step up transformer. But if the number of turns in primary coil is greater than the number of turns in the secondary coil, the type of transformer you'll be having is what? Is a step down transformer. But if you look at this coil, this coil is very lower, and this one is what? It has a number of turns that is very what? That is very high. You can see it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of turns here is what? Is very high, and this is what I told you. Output is representing the secondary, while the input is representing the what? Primary. So if you look at this, the number of turns in primary is very low, so we can say number of turns in primary is less than number of turns in secondary. So the type of coil we are going to be having here is what? Is a step up transformer. So if you look at the option, the diagram above is that of what? So the answer is what? Step up transformer. Step up transformer. So that's our correct answer. It would have been a step down transformer hadn't been the number of turns in the primary coil is greater than the number of turns in secondary coil. That is, if you have a coil like this, if the coil look like this, it would have been a step down instead of step up. As hadn't been, it looks like this, and look at this, and we now have something like this. I hope you understand. If you can look at the coil here, this is input, right? And this is what? Output. So if you look at the coil here, this output is representing the secondary. So the number of turns here is what? Is very low. If you can see, it's just 1 and 2, while this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's very high. The number of turns in the primary is greater than the number of turns in secondary. So this type of coil is what? Is a step down transformer. So I hope you understand. So it's a step down transformer. So that's why we say a transformer is a device that is used in stepping up or stepping down current. So I hope you understand. So that's it. So that's that for this video. So whenever you see a question like this, you should know how to approach it. So endeavor to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So subscribe so that you can get valuable content like this. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. so that you can be notified where valuable video like this drop.